In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort data in Google Sheets alphabetically. Whether you're working on organizing your contacts, arranging product names, or simply making your data easier to read, sorting data alphabetically can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Google Sheets. Head over to sheets.google.com in your web browser. If you aren't signed in already, make sure to log into your Google account to access your documents. Once you're there, you have the option to open an existing spreadsheet that you're looking to organize, or you can start fresh with a new one if that's more suitable for your needs. Now, once your spreadsheet is open and ready, the next step is selecting the specific data you want to sort. Click and drag your cursor across the range of cells that you want to highlight. This range can be a few rows or columns, or even the entire sheet, depending on what you need. It's important to highlight all relevant columns if you're interested in keeping all rows intact while sorting one column, ensuring that everything stays in alignment. With your data selected, look towards the upper part of the page and click on the Data menu. This menu is your gateway to various editing features Google Sheets offers to help you manage your data, and sorting is no exception. Even though it's not mandatory, creating a filter at this point is highly recommended. By clicking on Create a Filter, you'll see filter icons appearing in the header cells of your selected range. These icons are incredibly useful tools that allow you to sort and filter your data with ease and precision. Now, let's talk about sorting. You'll want to click on the filter icon located in the header of the column you wish to sort. From here, you can choose how you want to order your data. If you're looking to arrange the data in ascending order, from A to Z, select the Sort A, Z option. Conversely, if you want the data in descending order, Z to A, simply opt for the Sort Z, a choice. So, you've done all this, and now what? It's time to check your work. Your data should now be neatly arranged based on the column you've sorted, with the rest of the data in each row staying aligned exactly as it should. This kind of verification is crucial to ensure no data was inadvertently shuffled or misplaced. And that's it. Remember, one of the great things about Google Sheets is that it automatically saves your work as you go. So once you've verified that everything looks good, you're free to close the spreadsheet without worrying about unsaved changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in organizing your data more efficiently. Until next time, happy sorting!